Now there's a new AI funnel builder that absolutely destroys every other AI funnel builder or web page builder. And this one is going to be the most insanely underpriced tool that you're going to see in the AI world. So if you want good looking funnels with good copy that actually work so you don't have to be like a tech genius, this video is for you. The funnel building tool I'm talking about is one provided by GoHighLevel. But the thing about HighLevel is most people always make videos about how you can resell HighLevel to local businesses and start an agency. But you never hear people talking about how cool the freaking software is, which is really the strongest part about HighLevel is that it actually works. So they've got this AI funnel thing that just came out, and I'll show you how to build a killer funnel with it. Go take a free trial at GoHighLevel.com, and you want to go to settings here, and you want to make sure, come over here to labs, because no one's got this yet, this isn't released, and scroll down and do brand new funnel AI and website AI thingy, and turn that on. It's going to be like this. It'll be off. You want to turn it on. The real cool thing about this is that it builds funnels that A, actually work, B, have pretty freaking good copy on them, and C, already have like stuff like calendars and things like that built in. So it's really great. I'll click on build with AI here, and we're going to start and we're going to build us one of them funnels. We're going to build a book a call funnel. So I'm going to call the funnel page, this is going to be Old Man Typing on Camera Academy, just to add that air of professionalism that you've come to expect from this channel. All right, business niche, we'll select coaching and consulting, of course. Goal of the funnel page is to book appointments, and target audience will be small businesses. All right, and what are we offering? We're offering one of them free consultations. Okay, now we can customize this, but let's see what happens when we click generate. I was expecting it to be absolutely freaking terrible, because most of them are. The copy is just the dumbest thing you've ever seen in your life. This is the opposite. This is made for real people. And what's exceptionally cool about this is if you want to change something, you can just change it like you were working with a Google Doc or whatever. So this is what it made. This is like unedited, all's cool, and if we want to change anything, we can just change it. So instead of turn awkward on-camera moments, let's just say turn accidental nudity into clients who actually book. Now, obviously, you wouldn't say that, but I'm trying to make this less boring for you. But that's how easy it is to change stuff. Okay, so this is, this is Old Man Typing on Camera Academy, all right? So if we're targeting older dudes, then we're going to need larger font sizes for this. So let's go ahead and tell it, I need all of the body copy and even the copy in the hero section, like basically everything other than the headlines and the subheads and all of that stuff, to be 20 pixel font size, please. All right, so if we were using a regular funnel builder, then, not AI. First of all, if we were using AI, I'd have to rebuild the whole damn thing. But if we were just using anything else, we'd have to go to every single one of these little thingies and change the font size, which would take forever. Don't have to do that with HighLevel, which is really cool, because doing that is a pain in the butt. And it did it. This is looking solid. Look, so now we can actually read it. And if you're ever working in HighLevel and you just want to see what the thing looks like outside of the funnel builder, of course we don't have a form or anything here yet. This is the only thing that, we kind of need to fix, and I don't want to put a form here. So instead of having to spend forever with AI and stuff, like telling it to redo it, we can literally just come over here and we can change this thing to a larger font. What we really need to make this thing functional is a damn calendar, So if we look over here, we've got a place where we can put a calendar. Now, the one thing about this is, because I've already tried to make this video once, I forgot to have the dang screen cam on, is I couldn't get it to make a calendar for me yet. This is 42 days out from being released to the public. So I just went and made a calendar. So instead of saying, hey, AI, make me a calendar, I'm just going to pop the one that I made in here. So HighLevel has like unbelievable amounts of features. It's almost obnoxious. And here's the calendar that I made. So it should populate here in a minute, hopefully, because I'm on camera and stuff. There we go. And so now we've got my calendar. Right, so now we're looking good here. So that's pretty sweet. All right, so we still want this to be legit though. We want it to be so legit. In fact, it can't quit. It would be incapable of quitting. That's how legit we want it to be. So we need a thank you page, man. All right, so I'll hit back, and now I'm gonna go into this little funnel thingy, that we were making right here. Old Man Typing on Camera Academy. I'm going to say add new step. All right, I'll call this one thanks for booking. Path can be whatever, it doesn't matter. And I'll click on create funnel step. And now it's going to give me the option to build a new funnel page. And I'm just going to use AI to build it. Thank you for booking. All right, business niche is coaching and stuff. Goal of this funnel is going to be other, okay? And I'll say, confirm the user's appointment and thank them for booking and urge them to add it to their calendar. So I'll just hit generate. What's cool is the quality of the dang copy without us telling it anything. To me, that's a big deal. You would normally have to, really elaborate on what the business does, but it kind of nailed it for this one. Cool, so it's made this for us. Now we got us almost a totally functioning book a call funnel. Only thing we got to do is come back to our original page, which I probably just broke. Nope, I didn't. Amazing. All right. And come over here, go to our calendar that we popped in there, and then make it redirect people. Click on this and then look, go here and say, go to next step. So now when they submit their appointment, they book their appointment, they're taken automatically to that thank you page and they see all that stuff, which is pretty good. And hell, man, since you're here, I'll do a deeper dive on this later, but HighLevel's like gone completely ham with AI stuff. And they've also made it where we can just use AI to do the reminder sequence. So let me show you how to do that. Since you're already watching, might as well help you out a little bit, Mo. So check this out. We can set up, with AI, we can make it send the reminder sequence. Because remember that thank you page was like, look, and you're going to get a reminder by email. And you might be going like, dude, what? Hey. So watch this. I need to create a workflow that is a reminder sequence for people who book an appointment through the Old Man Kern calendar. And we need to send them a reminder 1 day before the appointment, and then 4 hours before the appointment, and then 1 hour before the appointment by email. And if we can, let's put their appointment times and details and stuff like that in all the emails. Alrighty, is that gonna work? There we go. Okay. Oh, dude, I could have just talked to it. I'm using Whisper Flow. I think I probably told you that already. I just like repeating myself. It's super fun. Okay, so it's gonna build this email stuff for me, and that is absolutely ridiculous. Okay, so let's see. This is the name of the workflow, right? All right, and it's like, hey, you better recognize something funky's going on here. All right, so why are you giving me that red warning? What's up with y'all? Oh, okay. I got to choose a calendar. All right. In calendar, Old Man Kern. There we go. Okay. Well, that's easy. All right. Wait 1 day before the appointment. Solid. Okay. Looking good. Save that. All righty. And then how's this looking? Okay. And now, you don't actually have to put anything in here if you set it up right. Okay. Sweet. Your appointment's scheduled. And look at that. This is all, kind of serious writing style or whatever, but you can change it if you want to. The cool thing is you don't have to freaking build this damn thing. You just told it to build it and it built it properly. So now it's going to actually do it, that is absolutely bonkers. So now all I had to do is hit publish and save. So if someone comes here and they take the booking one of them appointments over here, they're going to get the emails and everything. And the reminders, and we've got a legitimate book a call funnel that's pretty freaking solid that was really easy to set up, despite my not really knowing what I'm doing. And got the email stuff handled too, dude. I mean, it's ridiculous. So GoHighLevel.com, you can take a trial for free. They're great. I think I told you this already. I can't remember. Very biased with them, by the way. They've been clients of mine for years. I've been customer of theirs for even more years. So they're not paying me to put this video up. I'm not using an affiliate link, but still consider my bias. All right, cool. Anyway, thank you very much, HighLevel. Real stoked for when this is actually out of beta. You can use it now. You just got to remember to turn that little thing on. All right. Okay. Thanks for watching this, man. Y'all take it easy.